Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about the sets and dictionary concepts in Python. Now, coming to the sets where the elements are in unordered and whatever the elements are there in the set are unique, and remember, set is an immutable data type. Here you have to understand one thing. The elements within the set cannot be changed, but the set itself can be modified by adding and or removing the elements. Right, that is what the mutability you have to understood here. So within the set, whatever the elements are there, that we cannot change, but we can add elements and remove the elements. Now we will see it practically. Right, let us have a set 1, 2, 3. Then I will print it. Then after I will print it data type also. Now run module 1, 2, 3 and class set. Now there is another way of creating the set is also there. Set, here you can provide any iteratable object, then print B. Yeah, you can also display its data type. Run module, you can see both are the sets. Now let me create one more set. Set, here the iteratable, now I am going to give what? Naresh. Then I will print C, then type C. Right, run module C. Now the Naresh, what is the order I kept? Naresh. Now when the set has been created, see how its elements are there. That is where the problem. So that's why the indexing and the slicing operation is not possible in case of sets. Okay, we will make a try, nothing wrong in that. Now let us call print C of 0. Let's see whether this indexing is supported by set or not. No, set object is not subscriptable. That is what you have to understand. So there is no indexing operation, there is no slice operation on the set. Now we will see how we can access the set. Now let us assume that there is a set and there one iteration variable I have passed a string, then after I am printing it. Now I want to access the individual one. For I in A, print I. Again for this also indexing is not possible, just you have to run it through for loop, but there is no guarantee that every time you will get the same output. Since it is an unordered one, we don't know what is the order it is going to create. And also you have to understood that we cannot modify the elements in the set, but we can add or remove the elements in the set. Now what if I am having the duplicates in the set? Eighth I have given 2 times. Now let us see, will it throw any error? Or see, it is not throwing any error. Whatever the duplicates are there, it just omitting and it just taking the unique values. It just taking the what? Unique values. Since it is an item, A is taken one time, M is taken one time, I is taken one time, T is taken one time. Though intentionally you are passing the duplicate values, but it will allow only the unique values. It will allow the what? Unique values. Right? Now, we will see the other things in the set. Now, I already told you the access, only one way access is there. That is what using the for loop we can access. Now, what else we can do is, now let us check what operators we can apply on the set. What operators we can apply on the set. Now, let us assume that A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to, let us make it as 1, 2. Now let me check B in A. I am using the membership operator in. Now false. Now what is happened? B is not in A. Since it is an unorder, that's why it is giving like that. Now let us check with 1 whether the 1 is A in or not. So for one it is giving, but whereas the same one, if we try in a different way, we are checking the subset is there in the A or not, 1, 2, it is giving the false. This is what you have to understood. Now let me change it to value 4, run module. Now it is giving true. Now it is giving what? True. That is what the difference you have to understood. Now what else we can do on this means, listen. Now let us check whether the both are equal or not. So both cannot be equal, right? One is consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. The other is the other is consists of what? 1, 2. So it cannot be equal. Now what I am going to do is 4, 3, 2, 1. I have taken another set. Both are consists of same contents, but their order is different. Now see, both are true. Since the content is what? Same. You can use the double equal also. Now I am checking whether it is subset or equal. This will also come as a what? The less than or equal to, do not think it is a comparison. It will use like a set only. Now what it is being done? It is a what? Subset, or A is subset or equal to B. Similarly you can also check B. Similarly B is subset or equal to A or not. Yeah, that also you can check with the help of the greater than or equal. So that will also come as a what? True. Now only you don't want to check the equality, just you want to check whether it is a subset or not. Yeah, it is false. Why? Because the equality concept you have removed, right? Now I am removing the one. Well, let us check whether the B is subset of A or not. Yeah, B is subset of A. So 2, 3, 4 is held by what? 1, 2, 3, 4. A is a superset. B is a what? Subset. Similarly, you can take one more example here. So let us assume that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us assume that this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to check whether the A is subset of B or not. Right? It is a subset. So here the less than greater than interpretation you have to do in that way. Now I will come with in what way I can perform the union in the set. There is a vertical bar you can use which will serve the purpose of union. See, which will give the what? The union of A and B. Now I want to check the intersection. Now the intersection I am going to come with what means and. Now the intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, I want to check the set difference. So the set difference, now what will come? Pi. Yeah, empty set. Right? Similarly, you can also try the other one. Let us check it. Will it work or not? Yeah. So this is the operator is not there. Actually, where is that one? Where is that? Yeah, Now I got it. Now right, now what I am going to do is I am going to keep this cap symbol, and then let me check what it is giving. Right, so symmetric difference. Right, so these are all the operators that you can use with the set, Now let us see what are the functions that we can use with the set function. The first one is the add function. Now let me add a dot add. Now I am adding the Naresh, then after I am printing the a. With that you have to understood that set can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Right, now if the same one, if I call, will it throw any error or will it keep it silent? We will see. The same Naresh I am trying to add it for a. See, it is not throwing any error, rather than it is just ignoring it. Since it is already there in the set, it is not adding into the set, rather than it is keep quiet. So that is what the first function. Now let us check the another function. There is a clear function is there, right? B dot clear, then after I am printing the b. Let us check it what's happened for the clear function. The clear function will clear the complete content. Right, clear will remove the what, all the elements. So then after what we have is we have the copy function. Yeah, let us try it. Now b equal to a dot copy, print a comma b. I would like also check whether the sets copy method will implement the deep copy operation or the shallow copy operation. That we can confirm by checking the id value. If both the id values are same, it is a shallow copy. If it is different, it is a what, deep copy. Right, both the sets are different. This id is different, this id is different, so it is implementing the what, deep copy. Let us confirm it same by adding one element to a, then after let us print a comma b. Now let us see the content. Now what is happened, the 5 is added for one, the 5 is not added for other. This is what we have to understood. This is what the changing of one which not affect the other, this is a what, deep copy. This is about what, deep copy. So we understood the copy method also. So what is the next one, the difference. So the difference, so what it will give is, it is just like our set difference. Now let us try it. Now a equal to 1 2 3, b equal to 2 3 4 5 6. Now I will print a difference b. So simply I just want to do a minus b. A minus b means what? 2 and 3 already there in the b. Now a minus b means the element should exist in a but it should not exist in b. Then the answer is what? 1. Right? So that is what? The difference method. Then the next method is difference update. Remove all the elements from the first set that are also in the second set. Right, let us see what going to be happen. Right, now I will print both a and b. We know that difference. Now the difference update, we want what it will do, it will just remove. See, now what's happened, the whatever the common elements are there, the common elements are removed from the a. That is what the difference between the difference and difference update. In case of difference, just it will give the a minus b, but whereas the difference subject, whatever the common elements are there, the common elements will be removed from the first set. Then discard. If at all you want to remove an element from the set, you can use the what, discard method. So let us try the discard. Print. Now first I will call the discard. a dot discard. Now I want to remove the 3, then after I just want to print the a. So what I am discarding, I am just discarding the 3. Yeah, it just discard. The discard method is used to remove. So then after the next one, intersection. So with this intersection we can print the what, the common elements. Now I am going to print a dot intersection b. So what are the common elements? As the 3 gets removed, the common element is only 2, right? Now let's see. Right, similarly we can also perform the what, union. Yeah, let us perform the union also. Now, right, this is what, union. Now let us see what are the other methods are there. Yeah, we can also check what, intersection update. Again, whatever the intersection update are there, again we can update the what, first set, the only elements that are also there in the second set. So whatever the commonality is there, the commonality will get updated in the first set. So let us see it practically. Now intersection update. Now I am removing this print function. Then after calling this intersection update, I am just printing the a. I am just printing the what, a. Run module 2. See, whatever the common element is there, the common element is updated the set a, right? So that is what. Now let us remove this line and again execute the same. Now what the common elements, 2 and 3 are the common elements. 2 and 3 are the common elements. Now then we can check, is there any is disjoint. If the two sets are disjoint, that means there were no common elements are there, it will return the true, otherwise false. Similarly, each subset also, just like our less than and greater than is superset. Then similarly, pop will remove an arbitrary element from the set. We don't know what element it is going to remove. It is going to remove one element. Similarly, we have the remove element. If you want to remove a particular element from the set, we can remove it. If the element is not there, it will return the what, key error. Similarly, we have the symmetric difference, and symmetric difference update is there. We know that symmetric difference means a union b minus a intersection b, or else you can write a minus b union a b minus a. Similarly, we have the what, union and update method also. Now let us try all these. Now let us check. First one is disjoint. A dot is disjoint, right? So let us execute this. Run module. Set has the t is missed, right? Yeah, let me add the t. Now t has been added. Now run module is disjoint. Is disjoint exactly one argument, right? Now I have to pass with what, b. With the b I am comparing, right? Now both are not disjoint, false, right? So similarly, let us remove a dot pop. We know that pop randomly will remove one element. We don't know what element has been removed. Yes. And similarly, if you want to remove a particular element, we can call the remove method. Now I want to remove the what, 5. Then after I am printing it. And we can also find out the what's the symmetric difference between the two sets. Symmetric difference between A and B. These are all the things we are executing. Now run module. Yeah, symmetric difference. Yeah, there is a spell mistake. We have to add in the remaining things. You see, it is coming. Now let us update this symmetric difference. Now run module. 4 6. Symmetric difference means I already told you A union B minus A intersection B, that is what symmetric difference. And then we can also call for what, that symmetric difference update also we can call, that I am calling now, so that it will update the set A. Now I will call upon the update. Now let me run it. Yes, now you just want to see the content means just you call the print A run module, right? Now similarly, if you want to update one set with another set, we can use the what, B. Then after you call the print A. Now whatever the content is there in the B, that will updated with A, right? So these are all are the what, the set different set methods, right? Now these are the operators that we have seen at the start of this one. There are the operators are there which can for union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, subset to proper subset to superset to and proper superset. These all the things we can do, these all the operators we can apply on the sets. So the next thing we have to know is Python dictionary. So in the Python dictionary, the values are stored in the form of key and value. Now let us assume that my key is 1 and its value is atom. Now let me print it, print A, then after print type A, print type A. Now Control S, run it. This is the what, this is the way of creating the dictionary. Now you have to use the what, open curly braces and closed curly braces. You can also create the dictionary with the help of the what, dict function. Then this is the what, empty dictionary I am creating here, right? Now let us run it. Now see, right? Now if you want to add a new item to this dictionary, now I am going to add the new item to this dictionary. To let us assume that CSD, I want to add one more 3. I want to add MCA. Then after I will start printing A. Now run module. Yes. So dictionaries are what? Dictionaries are mutable. Now let us check it. Will the dictionary will follows the order or unordered? What is the order? Atom 1 2 3, right? Now let us see. So far whatever we have seen, it is ordered only. Now let us check, will it allow the duplicates or not? Now I will write the same one, A of 3. A of 3 equal to, I will add IT, then print A, print A. Now let us see, will it add or will it update or will it throw an error? See, now earlier the 3 is what? MCA. Now what you observe here, I am not trying to add, rather than what is happened, this is treating as a, if it is already exist, it is just updating the value. It is just updating the value. That is what you have to understood. Now how you can access this dictionary means, let us create one dictionary again. I am creating item. I want to, then to CSD, then 3 IT, then let us print the first one, A of 1. Now let us check it, what is there. Based on the key value I am accessing, it will print the what? Atom. It will print the what? Atom. Now what if I am trying to add a 1, some duplicate value? Let us check it, will it allow or not? Yeah, is it is allowing, but it is not throwing any error. But when you print it, when you print the complete one, let us see what's going to be happen with the two elements are there. One is the IT, the another is the CSC. Then what it is happen, it is taking the later on one, it is taking the what later on one, it is not throwing any error. So IT is overridden by what, CSC. Let us assume that there is a one more element here, let us assume that there is an ECE is there. Now the CSD is replaced by ECE, right? Whatever the recent update is there, the recent update it is taking, but it is not throwing any error, it is taking the what, recent one, right? Now here you have to understand one more. Let us create a one copy for this and print a comma b. So then after I will print the id of a comma id of b. Then let me run it, let me check the locations of the both. Yeah, b is not defined. Yeah, I have to write in a different way, right? Now b equal to a, then run module. So both are pointing to same location, both are pointing to same location. Again if I change one, let us see what gonna be happen. Now I will change a of 2 equal to what, I will keep mech. Then after I am going to print a and b. Let us confirm it. Yeah, so both are holding the same values. That means using the equal, we are using the what, shallow copy, effect on the one showing the other. Now let me do it in a different way. If I create this one with DICT, let us check it whether it is a shallow copy or the deep copy. Now if you see both are different, that is what we have to understood here. Similarly we can use the what, copy operation here, a dot copy. So let us see whether it is implementing the shallow copy or the deep copy. Run module. Yeah, now so one thing we have to understood, equal means it is implementing the shallow copy, and DICT and copy method are implementing the what, deep copy. That means in case of deep copy, updating the one dictionary, not showing the effect on the other, not showing the effect on the other. Now another thing we have to understood here in the dictionary is we can use the dictionary for iterating also. Now let us have with an example, we can see, so that we can get more clarity. Now I am creating the dictionary with the key value pairs. Now let me walk through with the help of the loop for I in a. Then I am just printing the I. Let us see what it is been printing. Now see here, 1 2 3, only the keys are coming, only the keys are coming. Now I will change little bit. Now here I will make it as a dot values. Now item CSD IT will come. Now let us make it differently. I will make it as items. Then let me run it again. Yeah, 1 item, 2 CSD and 3 IT. Now here, since the tuple is coming, right, here you can keep the what, j, and here you can use ij. Simultaneously you can access the both keys and values. Simultaneously you can access the both keys and values. That is what this. Now if you not mention anything keys, already the keys function is also there. If you want, you can use the keys function also. It will give 1 2 3. Right, 2 arguments are there, right? Now I will remove it. Right, let me run it again. Right, 1 2 3 are coming. Okay, now in the dictionary what else are there means, these all the things we have seen. We can add the new pair also. Yes, if you want to delete, yes, we can delete it also. That also we will check it practically. Now if you want to delete the complete element, call the delete, or else if you want to delete a particular key also, yes, you can delete it. Then after print a run module. Now see, that is what. Okay, now this is what we have already discussed, the keys, values and items also. Yeah, definitely you can use this membership operator on the dictionary, which will check the key. Now print one in a, yes, one is there, one key is available here. Here it will do the what? True, right? Now let us take one more dictionary. In the dictionary 3, let me keep IT. Now then I will call a plus b. Let us check whether this is working or not here, right? So you cannot concatenate two dictionaries, you cannot concatenate two dictionaries. And let me use any exponential repetition operator can be worked on this. Yeah, you have to come to the another conclusion, repetition operator also you should not apply here. Now, so these are the different functions, right? So these are the functions you can use on the dictionary. Clear is used to remove all the items from the dictionary. Copy, just now we have checked. So the get, based on the key value you can get the value. When you pass the key, it will give the value. Then items method we have seen in the for loop. The keys method also we have seen in the for loop example. The pop is used to remove based on a key, and here if the key is not found, the default value you can give, the default value can be written. Pop item, so the pop item will return randomly one key value pair. Similarly, you can insert a key with the specified default value if it is not exist, and you can update the dictionary with the key value values from the another dictionary, that is what, and the values, right? So this is what about the dictionary. In the next session we will see some other topic. Thank you.